The Real Lesson Within. Honk for Jesus, save your soul.
Out with it.
It's our last shot.
Oh, girl, please.
I don't know what's going to happen if we don't make it.
I'm sure some folks will show up on Sunday.
I mean, me and Lee Curtis. I don't know if we can make it. I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere, and I am working my butt off for this man and this marriage. And so is he. You know, he is working too. I see that. I just don't know if we're just working towards the same thing.
Wow. Sometimes my child can be so damn foolish. Are you a Christian?
I'm a Christian.
Say it again so I'm absolutely sure.
I'm a Christian, Mama.
That's good, because you didn't sound like it for a moment. You don't know if this is going to work. That's not for you to know. That's for God to determine. And he did that 15-something years ago when he blessed y'all's union. And look at all the other blessings that you have right now because of what? That man and your God. The young, so ready to quit. Don't you think I thought about quitting your daddy? But every time I got shook, I went right back to the Bible, back to the Word, prayed it on out. And then I went back to my husband.
And when did you have to stop running back to the Bible about Daddy?
When I buried him, baby.
When you're given all you can and you worry about if it's the right thing, continue to do that right thing. Sometimes you can't figure out if what you are doing is the right thing to do in the long term. And that's okay. Continue doing what you know inside of your heart that is right. Listen to your inner gut over others. Block out the haters. Block out the opposition. Go back to your goals. Go back to your dreams. Go back to your visions. If others don't want to align with it, leave them. You know what's in your heart. You know what is right. You know what you should be doing. Even if it's your family, even if it's your best friend, even if it's your inner circle, if you know that it is the right thing to do in your heart, do it. If you like this reel, there are more reels just like this. All you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, go to our Real Lesson playlist, REEL, Real Lesson Within playlist. There are videos and movies just like this. And then lastly, if you don't mind, go ahead and share this out. Share with your friends, your family, and others who could use this Real Lesson Within. Thanks for watching.